Ataya Bauping Nungbi Kulen Jumpu Panitkam Tarung Kashunli Manipur Maharaja Lesemba Sanajawa Honbol MP Raja Sabana Masowa Samida Wazanghaira Manipur with film Kasema Haubam Paban Kumar with film 9 Hills One Valley G Asia Films Festival the Premier Sakidale Kare Tangkhul Music Festival Come Music Award Tangkhul Music Forum na Rungmiki Dale Lekayang Tor Aju Pau Ringphawon Zimik in a Pamidale Aju Pau Maisa Aina Nganang Ramsa Nungbi Kulenwi Jumpu Panit Kala Turung Kushun Rani Ayamayon Haira Panit Chili Manipur wi Aunga MB Leshamba Sanajabana Maso Wasada Gangarum the Turung Kushunji Anaran Mia Nungbi Kulenwi Jumpu Panit Chili former Deputy Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly MK Presho Shimre former Minister Kashim Riva Kala BJP wi Katana Bingla Wazangda Awo Ayina Haimi Kahai Aman Kasak Shanglak Kahai Ngashanhi Mashiman Ngasak Havai Salo the Guzum Sangaroka Maso Jina Hanga Tangkhul wi Turung Kushun Aina Maite wi Ukhong Ungbahi Ngaria Hidada Saya Gaji Awo Ayina Karajan Hayai Saya Kala Jina Tangkhul Aina Maite Achinana Gaji Jiteya Kala Ngashan Ngarai Gajajina Jiwi Shakina the Hangsanga Turung Kushung hi Achalaka Aina Sarada Kushuna Jina Awili Gazib Sang Gahai Kaleji Merkalaya Mili Ngayer Shok Mia Maite Lila Jitada Haite Ju Makeup Hat Kukuya Jili Ana Yang Dada Jodda Sagahai Jili Kayakashimida Ngulung Shumia the Sana Jawbana Hanga Yarina Mi Jili Kayakashimi Kala Ana Awe Haiteji Merkalaya Pingli Ngayer Mia the Hangsanga Manipur Aunga Leshamba Sanajauba Kala Awimina Jumpu Panidli Rajang Kami Wivang Nungbi Kulen with Headman AS Shaingamna Ningashi Pongshoka former Deputy Speaker MK Presho Shimre former Minister Kushum Riva Anilila Ningashi Mia Jingai MLA Kushum Vashum Aina intending BJP candidate Ningam Chomroi Lila Ningashi Ringapa Pongshoka Aunga Leshamba Sanajaubana Ngareopung Semira de la Hangda Nungbi Headman Jina Ningashi Ringpa Pongshaka Nungbi Kulen Jumpu Panijili MK Presho Shimrena Kayao Sada Kamutuili Achalaka Nungbi Kulen wi Hewun Kamata Kala Kamili Migaza Ngajana Gaji Hangda Awo Ayiwe Atamli Hewun Kamataji Hatkui Gahai Gazip Sang Gahaiji Jingum Gutumati Zadvashaba the Hanga Tarung Kushun hi Katara Otsina the Gakui Kala hi Karara la Kashang Kare Naupingna Sada Sui Gahai Kala Shukai Pupayada Saya the MK Preshona Hangjiteya Manipur with film Kasema Haubum Paban Kumar with film 9 Hills One Valley G Asia Films Festival Premier Sakidale Haubum Paban Kumarwi Kakane narrative figure 9 Hills One Valley hi Manipuri Kala Tangkhul Tuyaina Saya Film Festival Chili Jitei Kawai Asian Films Tarada Shini Kapangakwina Achukumwi Jogja Network for the Promotion of Asian Cinema Asian Films Festival hi Indonesia li Sakidale Films Festival Ji Achuwi Tarik Magada Shini Thang Haupogda Jishathang Sara Dalaya 9 Hills One Valley hi Anam Ahum Koho Tangkhul Now Akawi Karajan Kakapna Ana Imphal Katali Mi Ngatay da Sampanglaga Atumi Karajan Ngana Kukui Sampangda Kayang Bingli Karajan Ji Aina Etnic Conflicts Kalewi Maramni Taking Saka the Film Society of Manipur Hanga Kare Tangkhul Music Festival Come Music Award Tangkhul Music Forum na Rungmiki da Ledale Tangkhul Music Festival Come Music Award Ji Rakhara December Kayon Kachangwi Tarik Thara Aina Tharada Akhathang Sara Music Award Wivang Artist Akhana La Khanirip Misanglo da Tangkhul Music Forum wi Censor Board na Ngahodalai Artist Bingna Laji Ajwi Tarik Thumra Thangle Muhui Meila misang paira kala chithang screening la sara da artist psychorana mashwaila rajang mido da Tangkhul Music Forum we censor board na ngohodale tarik thumra thang saki kichi screening apam na Ukrul Town Hall we opposite 3-in-1 hotel li sara atam na ngothor pung thrada akhali hapogra Intelligence Bureau na mukhog mida hang phanga da kathuruga DGP's IGP's conference Lucknow li sahaira DGP's IGP's conference he state police aina central agencies na law and order security maramle kathada saka phamai kabra kaching sanda kum kachida kasa gazibna gazib chili Prime Minister Modi aina Home Minister Amit Shah la wachanga Lucknow Uttar Pradesh li sada khalai conference chili left wing extremism counter terrorism prison reforms industrial security cybercrime hikatha maram hiping hi matailak aina ngasan haira chia conference chi state union territories we DGB psycho rele CAPFS we DG sping changda Lucknow police headquarter le wajanga kala officers shakathum hangphanga gadana conference chi online aina changa chia Rakhara tarik magada shuni thang indigenous forum for community na one day market rungmiki da leidale Leiganong chi Pakshi ground humbungli rungmira atamna ngathor pungthara aina hapoglaga ngazin pungmati aina tangda shomira indigenous forum for community na rungmiki kichi one day market chuli ya recycle na rajangmi khawai ngahodalai India ngaleli indoor hina thermicap kichi city talui haira Central government na khami annual cleanliness award Swachh Sarvekshan award chi achiwi hi jangda indoor na phangashi ngoron laga cleanest city award samphanga haina kala state aina khayangli thermicap kichi judges karna daya cleanest city chi indoor withili Surat kala chiwithili Vijayawada jangdalai city kityo pingwi categorily New Delhi Municipal Council na thermicap kichi award samphanga kala Noida na cleanest medium city ngasaya cleanest Ganga town he Varanasi na tahaira award pingji President Ramnath Kovind na achawanthang New Delhi li mi kashokna Imphal East District li Mega Handloom Cluster aka semkami haura da Union Textile Minister Piyush Goyal na jishat haira Juaina ngasoda Moirang Bishnupur District li la handloom aina handicraft village aka semkara da Union Minister juna Manipur li khani thang yaw khong li hanga INA na India we philan khangka rekap kichi hi Moirang li na da chili handloom handicraft village semki kichi chi freedom fighters pingli khaya kishi ngasara da hanga Mega handloom cluster chi Olympic silver medal samka phangwa Saikhom Mirabai Chanu wi ram Nongpok kakchingli semki kichina handloom cluster chi Mirabai Chanu na ngalei hiwiwang sami ka hai kala ngalei wi handloom handicraft Khui kuphogle Manipur na sharu khuimi ka haile dedicate ka sana chia Mirabai Chanu na Manipur handloom we brand ambassador la sada khalaina Ali aya textile ministry na lupa lak thumrawe check la panglan sahaira Union Ministry of Textile na semiki kichi mega cluster chi lupa crore thumra shika aina semra chia Aya Union Textile Ministry aina Manipur we handicraft development na rungmida crafts thematic exhibition hapo khamile Union Minister Piyush Goyal wagazangna Chili state we waivers kai khali ot sakhawai machak Pejan cards Manipur yard cards loom certificate kala waiver mutra loan hikatha yaumi haira Naga Students Federation na NSCNR split saka highway maringapha phongshok haira Indo Naga chan ngajek chingri aina kupsang khawai da Naga now psychorana khoka sada wa khawai sada khalai atamle hita da khangakai kushok hi maphamana da NSF na phongshoka Naga now ngachaile khangakai Khwira kapai kala Naga political settlement process le shekhud ki kuchi phaikar le makotomana da NSF na hanga Naga political groups NBGS pingna atumi alungli ngatei khangarok her haida ari honui political angredli yanglaga phamai kap kuchi wiwang khoka salo da NSF na pohaira COVID-19 ari kakap manga khawa makhawa maramli ngasan khawai achi Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia na thanda review meeting pamra da leya Kazib hi COVID dose kare kakap akum hangshini we azing likhlei apam Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland kala Budichiri hipingwi review saki gachina. Ma thang thai kukui atishuda COVID ari dose kare kap ka hai hi Meghalaya li 56.7%, Manipur li 54.2%, Nagaland li 49%, kala Budichiri li 65.7% aina leida shokar na hanga. Shokar na kachang akawibang har ghar dastak koho campaign shimli COVID-19 vaccination washung mi khwaila hopok haina. Sarkar na kahang atishuda micro tharada khani ka da dose ka khane mukhuiranga. Ariji kabran nga chaile akhum hang chishada khani na dose khare kapkhui haira kala akhum hang madida kuthumna dose paida kapkhui haira chia. Short break withili nganangrum lushitsa.
Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa opposite Unique Kids Preschool, Hamlekong, Ukhrul. Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa, Bangalore branch. Salon Hilly, hair coloring, facial, hair spa, hair dressing, manicure, pedicure, bridal makeup, hair straightening, wax epilation, head massage, foot massage, full body massage, male and female separate samia. Ukhruli professional salak kahai, well-trained staff recruit salaga run sadakle unisex beauty salon and spa na. Arihon Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa li heavy Christmas offer late. Ralu Ramiserlu Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa li. For booking information, please call 9383 274-303 or visit us.
Stately COVID-19 angret mathasang khamai theida sarkarna yari ka gazib mayami haira. Kala night curfew ngaya pung thara aina hapok da ngathor pung mati aina tangda checking lak aina haira da ta haira. Manipur Home Department na Chizu Khami Atishuda Yari Kazib Khangasak hi Standard Operating Procedure Ngak Kazakzak Kazibki Kachina. Yari Shim Alungli Kagazibli 50% capacity mang aina Kazipaira Chia. Home Department at Chizu Khami hi December Khayon Kachangwi Tarik Makuda Akathang aina tangda Zatnara Chia. Sarkar na kahang Atishuda state wi positivity rate la 5% wi azing aina rather COVID kagazami machine la Tiausang Mamanda Laichia. Center for Nanotechnology kala Center for Indian Knowledge System IIT Guwahati li Shomi Haira. Union Education Minister Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Tharmendra Brathana Aya Center chi Tharkat Kamiya. IIT Guwahati Complex Chile Hostel Khanila Shomi Haira. Chile upon the new education policy 2020 implement sakavai aporala Union Education Minister China yarili Pongmi Haira. Assam Education Minister Ranoj Peku aina Guwahati MP Queen Ojala Tharkat Rani Chile Vasanga. Ayang Zinwi report atishuda Ukhrul district li COVID positive mi akhala masang phangmana. COVID second wave Karahili Ukhrul district li Ari Rashungda COVID positive sampang kahai hi thingkha shajishat hangshini da chiko kashung haira. Arishang aina COVID care center we aina mi khani li aya discharge sada Ariri Ukhrul district li COVID kagazami machine thara leida DSO report na chithemiya. Latluida achu khamataya pauping. Nungbi Kholen Jumpu Phanikam Tarum Kashunli Manipur Maharaja Leisemba Sanajawa Honorable MP Raja Sabana Masowa Samida Wazang Haira. Manipur with film Kasema Haupam Paban Kumar with film 9 Hills One Valley G Asia Films Festival di Premier Sakidale. Kare Tangkhul Music Festival cum Music Award Tangkhul Music Forum na Rungmiki dale. Aju pau henang janghaira pau ngana da clay na tum psycho reli ringpha kala kham haya Zimik show sa serano.